So today's video, I'm going to be going through and showing you all my current favorite cleaning products and how I use them. So I've been getting a lot of questions about some of the products I've been using and how I'm using them, and like this is just my method, like what works best for me. I try to do cleaning as quickly as possible. I don't have a lot of time to clean, so I like to do it quickly. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing, so stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we're going to talk about here, I do have a lot of products from NORWEX and the Grove Collaborative. I was recently introduced to NORWEX by a friend and I'm really liking the products still. I was trying to just use just NORWEX products for a while, but I've started to incorporate some of my other stuff again. So, alright, so first thing I'm going to talk about is dusting. So this is the NORWEX dusting mitt. It's kind of dirty because I use it a lot. But yeah, so you can just wear it like a mitt like this. And what I like to do is take my Pledge and usually I just spray the Pledge on the mitt and then I'll just dust. And I found that if I use this, my surfaces are gonna stay cleaner longer. So out here in the desert, it gets super dusty, especially right now, it's monsoon season. So I mean, we've got dirt all the time. So this thing has come in really handy as far as the dust. Let's go to the bathroom. All right, so in the bathroom, these are the three main products I do. Usually I take my little caddy with my products into the bathroom just so I have everything in there. So I like to use, this is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. I need another one, as you can see. But yeah, so this I just like to use on the mirrors in there, and I'll use this on glass and mirrors all throughout the house as well. To disinfect in the bathroom, I'm using the Method Antibac, and this is in the spearmint, and I'm running low on this one as well. I need to get some more of this. And I like to use, so this is my NORWEX ENVIROCLOTH, and I like to use this one in the bathrooms. For a while there, I was just using the cloth because this does remove all the germs. But I just like this stuff because it has a nice smell too. So it leaves the bathroom smelling nice and fresh. So I'll use these two together. And then what I have been doing in the bathrooms as well is using this NORWEX cleaning paste. And this stuff has so many different uses. You can use it on tons of stuff. And this thing, it smells really fresh. It's almost like a citrusy, fresh smell, but it will last you forever. So what I usually do is I'll take this SpriSponge, and this is also from NORWEX. You get it wet and then you just get a little bit on your sponge, and then I'll clean the sinks and not the toilets, the sinks and the bathtub with this. That seems to work really, really good. And then for the toilets, I like to use this NORWEX bathroom cleaner, and it's kind of like a concentrate, so you only need a couple drops, and this thing's lasted forever. I mean, I've had it quite a few months now, and I mean, it doesn't even feel like it's been used. So I'll just put a couple dots in the toilet, and then this cleans it up really, really nice. Oh, and then another thing I will use in the bathroom, this is the NORWEX window cloth. So I will just use my Windex on the mirrors and the glass and then wipe it with this, and you get no streaks. Let's talk about laundry before I get into the kitchen. For laundry right now, I am using, this is the DOWNY Fresh Protect Odor Defense, and this is in the scent April Fresh. And I don't know if you guys have tried these before, but they make your laundry smell so nice. The scent seems to last a long time. Like you can walk into the closet and you can still smell it. And I've been buying this at Costco, and so it's probably the best deal. I can't tell you offhand how much I got it for, but Costco is by far the best. So this is what I use when I put the wash in. I put a little bit of these in there just for the smell. And then this is the detergent I'm using. Oh, there's a fruit snack. How on earth did a fruit snack get on here? That's funny. Okay, so this is the laundry detergent I'm using. This is the OXYCLEAN Stain Fighters Max Fresh Scent. And I buy this at Costco as well. And this bad boy seems to last us a long time. And I do laundry probably through, well, 2 or 3 times a week. So it seems to last a lot longer if you get it at Costco. All right, moving on to the kitchen. So let's start with the dishwasher because we're on the Costco kick right now. So these I get from Costco as well. It's the Kirkland brand dishwasher packs, and you get 115 of them. And if you guys watch my videos, you know that I don't use my dishwasher a ton because I like to wash them by hand. But yeah, so you get 115 of these, and they look like that. And they smell really good. So that's what I'm using in my dishwasher when I do use my dishwasher. So right now I am on the Caldrea kick These are from Grove Collaborative, and the Caldrea smells amazing. This is the Pear Blossom Agave, and this is the hand soap that I have. And then I'm also using the dish soap. Oh no, I'm almost out of this one too. So yeah, this is what I'm using to hand wash my dishes. And then it also came with the countertop spray, and I like to use this on my countertops. It makes everything smell so good, and it just seems to last for a while. And this actually came in a set. You can get this, it's like a hostess set on Grove Collaborative. I'll link it down below for you guys. But it came with these and then the little stone tray that you can set everything on. So yeah, that was a nice little deal that I got. So as far as in the kitchen, so I either use this countertop spray, or I've been using the Mrs.Meyers Clean Day, and this is in the radish scent. And what I like to do is, so these are also from NORWEX. I have the little kitchen cloth, and it's a little bit, it's kind of small, or I have the big, these are like the other kitchen, yeah, this is the kitchen cloth, but this is what I like to dry my dishes with. It dries everything super easy, super fast. But this is what I like to wipe down the countertops with. I like to keep a separate one in my kitchen. This blue one I try to use mostly for the bathroom. After I wash the toilets with this, I will automatically throw it in the hamper to get washed. Sometimes when I get it out and it's fresh and clean, I will use it in the kitchen. This one I try to stick with just for the bathrooms. So yeah, I'll either use these two. Sometimes I'll use both because I just like to finish it off with this one because of the smell. It smells so good. And then I will go back to the NORWEX cleaning paste. I like to use it on my cooktop, in my stainless sink. This works really good. And then I didn't really talk about stainless steel. I haven't really found a stainless steel cleaner I love. So what I've been mostly doing is just getting my kitchen towel wet and just wiping it like that. And then I wipe the streaks with the window cloth, and that seems to keep it pretty clean. But if you guys have any suggestions on a stainless steel cleaner that you love, I would love to hear it because I'm still looking for one. I have yet to try the one, I think Method has one. I don't know, I think they have one, but I have yet to try that. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions. And this is another thing I like to use. This is the Mrs.Meyers Room Freshener, and this is in the lemon verbena scent. And this I just like to, after I clean, I just like to put a couple spritz everywhere, and it just makes the house smell nice and fresh. So the last two things I'm going to talk about, my mop. Okay. This is the mop I recently bought. Bought it on Amazon. I was so excited about the spray aspect of it, and I really was excited about the fact that this part came off and you can open it and put your own cleaner in here. So what I have in here is the Method floor cleaner. I will post a picture somewhere here and show you guys because after I poured it in here I threw the container out. But so okay, I love this whole mop concept. It's amazing. Oh, and another thing, it came with 3 of these little microfiber. This one's kind of dirty because I did just mop, sorry. But it came with 3 of these reusable microfiber cloth thingies, and you just wash them. You use it and then throw it in the wash. But the sprayer doesn't always work. If you guys have watched my videos like closely, you'll see that I'll like spray a couple times and then I have to take the little liquid thing out and kind of shake it and then put it back in and then spray it again. It doesn't spray consistently, so that is my only drawback of this mop. I would love this mop if it actually worked like it's supposed to, but for now it'll work, whatever. So if you guys have a suggestion on a mop that you love, let me know that too, because I'm always open to suggestions. And then of course the last thing I'm going to talk about is my Dyson V7. I just did an unboxing and a little demo of this recently, so I will link that up above so you guys can check that out. But if you don't have one of these, you're missing out. I'm telling you, I use this bad boy like 3 times a day. It's so quick and easy. You can just grab it, vacuum up the kitchen, vacuum up the living room, take it upstairs. It's just super easy, lightweight, and it's just come in really handy. And I love like how it has all the attachments. It's super easy like to change everything and to empty. So that is definitely one of my must-haves. I'm not sure how I survived without it. I say that all the time. Oh, the last thing I want to tell you about, this is like the most important thing. Okay, so for those of you who have animals and little ones at home, you will appreciate this. We are going through, not really potty training, but my 2.5-year-old she's getting there, but we have accidents quite often. So this is a pet stain and odor eliminator. So the reason it's a pet stain one is because we have a cat who is kind of a jerk and he likes to pee on things. So this has been a lifesaver for that as well. Before we went on a trip not that long ago, he peed on one of my suitcases. And you know, suitcases aren't cheap, so I didn't want to just throw it out. So I took it outside and I cleaned it with this, and it's got the Enzyme Action Plus in it. It's for urine, feces, and other organic stains. And the smell came right out. And if you guys have cats and you know what I'm talking about, you know that smell is very hard to get rid of. So this stuff worked. So what I've been using it for now is if my daughter has accidents on the carpet, this cleans that up as well. This stuff has been a lifesaver, and I think I got this from PetSmart. You can buy it a lot of places. I'll look for it on Amazon for you guys and link it down below. But yeah, this is a must-have for kids and animals. Alright you guys, that is it for my current favorite cleaning products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any questions on anything, let me know down in the comment section. And oh, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm doing my 500 subscriber giveaway right now. So why don't you guys head over and check out that video, and then you can get all signed up for the giveaway because I'm giving away some really cute things. So alright, we'll see you guys next time. Bye!